Welcome to 706 Cowan Circle, a beautifully maintained 4-bedroom home with 4 washrooms and situated within Southwest Pickering's prestigious Rosebank neighbourhood. Showcasing extensive front stone landscaping that continues through to the backyard, the covered front entry of this brick and stone home opens into a spacious foyer where a powder room is nestled away from the principal living areas of the main level. An Energy Star certified home featuring 9-foot main level ceilings, hardwood and ceramic tiled flooring, elegant ceiling light fixtures, as well as California shutters on many of the windows, the open concept design on the main level begins with a cozy formal living room that also has the potential for conversion into a private den or home office. The intimate entertaining space of the formal dining room is open to a large reception area, off of which is a curved oak hardwood staircase with wrought iron spindles to the upper level, as well as a sunken landing with the staircase to the lower level. At the rear of the home are the open concept family and entertaining spaces of the kitchen, the breakfast area, and the great room. The breakfast room has a garden door walkout onto a covered backyard patio, and the incredibly functional kitchen area offers plenty of work and family space that features a large center island with double undermount sink and bar seating, tiled backsplashes and granite counters, espresso-colored cabinetry with extended uppers, pantry space, and the addition of a servery area, as well as stainless steel appliances. Off the kitchen is the convenience of a combined mudroom and laundry area with front-load washer and dryer, cabinetry and closet storage, as well as direct access from the 2-car garage. Complete with light diffusing privacy blinds, the bow and accent windows in the great room offer unobstructed backyard views, while this informal entertaining space enjoys the cozy warmth of a gas fireplace with stone mantel. Staircase windows allow natural light to brighten the upper level hallway, which has an incredibly spacious double linen closet, while featured throughout this level is the cozy comfort of soft broadloom and California shutters on every window. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are very generously sized and have double closets, and all share a 5-piece main washroom with a ceramic tiled floor, a wall-to-wall vanity with dual basins, as well as the privacy of a water closet that includes the tiled bath and shower area. Through a double-door entry is the master bedroom, a serene, relaxing personal space with a contemporary chandelier suspended from its deeply coffered ceiling. The master bedroom also features a huge walk-in closet and is complete with an ensuite washroom featuring a ceramic tiled floor, ceramics adding finishing touches to the separate bath and shower areas, as well as a vanity with integrated counter and basins. Fully finished, the lower level offers abundant family and entertaining space and showcases hardwood flooring and pot lighting throughout. Featuring a combined storage and furnace room with access to a cold room, as well as under the staircase storage, this level also has a large bonus room ideal as office space or a hobby room, a 3-piece washroom with a tiled floor, a floating vanity, and a shower with glass door and pebblestone floor, as well as a large recreation area with 2 distinct spaces. a games room, and a second family room with a curved accent wall. This home sits on a premium-sized 39 by 174-foot lot with a fenced and professionally landscaped backyard showcasing covered and open-air stone patio areas, a fire pit, raised stone perennial beds, as well as vegetable gardening beds. Walking distance to a Montessori school, Rosebank Public School, and Petticoat Creek Conservation Area, this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.